Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I have got 5 bulk boxes, and one thing that's really exciting is they were running a special, and so I got no shipping on any of these. So it's super awesome. I spent a total of $327.54 on all 5 of these. So I'm going to give you the rundown on what each one of them is. So it'll be a multiple series, but this one that I'm going to open first is a Furniture and Decor Philips JLA Home light bulbs is what I see mostly. It's $50, has 29 items in it, which means it was about $1.75 per item. And so let's just get into it and see what we got going on. All right. As you can see, lots of light bulbs. That's exactly what I was expecting, because if you look right here, this is the picture that they have online. It's not a very good picture that I printed because I just used my black and white printer, but it's exactly what the box looks like. So I've got 25 warm white, brand new. I'm gonna open and just look real fast. Yep, totally packaged. Brand new. So I will probably test them to make sure that they still work, but I'm sure I can list these on Amazon for sure. So I've got 1 of those, 2 of these, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8. Looks like that's it for now. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Stocking anyone? Legitimate crocheted to you from me. It's a Target stocking. That's cute. All right, so we have a stocking. Kind of past Christmas season. Let's see, what's this? At Atlanta. That's cute. So that's a t-shirt. Put that down there. Still has tags on it. This one is a salt and pepper shaker set. It's a red car with a Christmas tree on top. I'll set that there and you guys can look at it more. Then I've got protein bars. 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates in these protein bars. The biggest thing about protein bars, okay, I've got 6/13/2018. So currently it's February of 2018, and yes, I am standing outside. It's like 74 degrees today. Awesome. Anyway, so I'm not sure if I can send this in. Usually you have to send it in with about 120 or 240 days. I can't remember the exact number before the expiration date in order to sell it, but it's not expired yet, so that's awesome. Placemat, just a silver kind of crocheted placemat. I've got a bunch of these. These are window covers, curtains, branch gray is what they're called. I've got a bunch of them. I'm going to pull them out. 1, 2. Okay, I thought I had more than that, but this one's a plain white one. So soft fabric. This is actually, no, a shower curtain liner. Are those shower curtain liners? Let me look. Nope, just a regular window panel. Okay. Then I've got kind of a harvest looking wreath. There is no, oh, there is one. There is a barcode on this to figure out where that came from. Harvest looking wreath. Oh, I got another one of those. Another one. And another one. And another one. And then I've got a Fiberware 10-inch cook pan. That's really, really nice. So obviously for $1.75, you can't buy any of this stuff for $1.75. Okay, I got this weird, funky shaped something or other. Okay, I don't do Halloween. It's a pet bed with a little snap in. It looks like it snaps in. Yep, it's got different doorways that you can add to it. I don't do Halloween pet bed. That's cute. All right. Let's see what else we got. Some cookie cutters, typical gingerbread shape. So let's see. This is Sweet Peony Aromatic Diffuser. Now this is kind of like a perfume or a room scentsy, and I probably won't be able to send this into Amazon, but I've done really good selling these kind of things on Merch Fulfill. Amazon doesn't like chemicals like that in the warehouse, and so they usually have that labeled hazmat. Here's another one. Okay. Little Santa bag, says B on it. Let's see, what's this? This is a little pouch. It's a little purse, little crocheted with tassels on it, and looks like it's kind of embroidered a little bit. Made really cute. Just a little kind of purse pouch. All right, not much left. You got a couple of things labeled fragile, handle with care. So I'm gonna unwrap them. We're gonna see what they are. 2-second life Chesapeake Bay candle, mahogany embers. And I'm guessing that's what the other one is. I've got 2 of them. Yep, it looks the same. It's the exact same color. So I've got 2 of those candles. And what is in this? This says spot clean. Oh, it's little ornaments, little tassel dangly kind of decor. But that is it. That is my 29 items, $1.79 a piece. I definitely think that I can get more than $1.79. I think this is where my money's going to be made up right here. I think I'll probably be able to make at least a $5 or a $10 bill on these, but I'll follow up with the rest of these boxes and kind of give you an update on how things go. But watch my next video. I'll open the next box and you'll see what's in it. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.